Dear Sherry, what's the ratio for using kief instead of flour in cannabis cooking? Great question. Let me get to the answer in just a second. Before I do, just want to remind you all, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of this video, please hit that like button. Hit it like a bong. Okay, you asked about the ratio of kief instead of flour. Well, there's not one exact ratio, but there are different ranges, and you will need to know the THC percentage or the approximate THC percentage when figuring dosing. So, THC ranges in flours are usually, and I do say usually because they can go lower and in rare cases higher, but they're usually in the 10 to 25% range. THC ranges in kief are usually, and again I say usually because they can go lower and in rare cases higher, but they're usually in the 25 to 40% range. Now you will need to determine exactly where in that range the material you're cooking with is. The quickest way I think to get a almost instant read on how strong some plant material is to smoke some or vape some. That'll give you an instant read kind of what you're dealing with. Trust me, estimating THC percentages is not an exact science, but with practice, you will get better at it. And it really merits putting some effort into because it really will help you to dial in your dosing, whether you're cooking with kief or with flours. Take my free dosing class. There'll be links in the comments below, or get my dosage calculators that do all the math for you. There'll be a lesson in those courses, both of them, that will teach you more about estimating THC percentages in cannabis. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.